meters, Hotel Bravo 9, Tango Whiskey Yankee, HB90WY, calling 17 meters and listening.
Yankee Oscar 3, Hotel Juliet Victor.
Yankee Ocean 3, Oscar Juliet Victoria. Thank you so much for the call, Birmingham Audio you have. And thank you so much for stopping by. Great signal coming in the southwest part of Switzerland. You're 5959. My name is Jan, Yankee Alpha November. And my location 60 kilometers to Geneva, just the border of France. Yankee Ocean 3, Ocean Juliet Victoria, Hotel Bravo 9, Tango Whiskey Yankee, over.
Yes, Hotel Bravo 9, Tango Whiskey Yankee, Yankee Oscar 3, Hotel Juliet Victor. Name here is Adrian. The QTH is Bucharest. I am located right in the middle of Bucharest, and I'm using 10-watt radio. It's an old ICOM IC-703, which, by the way, I managed to repair last night. And I'm testing it right now. The antenna, it's an improvised antenna on my balcony. You can see it on my qrz.com page. And this is all I can say about my rig right now. Mike, back to you, Jan. HB9. By the way, your signal it's 59 plus 20 dB, and I hear your previous QSO. You are using an Yagi antenna, which explain a lot here. HB90WY Y03 HJV. Back to you.
Okay, yes, correction for the call sign, Hotel Juliet Victoria. And it's an Ocean, sorry for the mistake of the call sign, Adrian. And yes, congratulations for the, to repair the old 703 with 10 watts and the vertical antenna on the balcony, working well. I'm using sometimes the same thing in my personal station, personal area. I'm working on the big station here in this moment, and it's around 10 kilometers from my private area. And on my private area, I have also approximately the same setup with the vertical antenna only on the terrace, but working well. Okay, audio is very punchy, Adrian. No problem for to copy you. Sometimes maybe QSP on the bands. It's not your station not working, but maybe QSP is so heavy sometimes. And I have here maybe 50-60 kilometers per hour of the wind in this morning, and also on the last night, little thunderstorm coming in this area, and shaking the antenna system. Okay, Adrian, using a 3 element Yagi is 100 watts. The antenna up to 35 meters off the ground, looking your direction now. And the weather is not so fine, maybe rain in this morning, heavy windy also in this moment. And temperature around maybe 4-5 degrees Celsius. Microphone back to Adrian, Y03 HEV, HB90WY, huh?
Okay, Jan, Yankee Oscar 3 Hotel, Juliet Victor coming back. Very nice and strong signal with a very, very slow QS Baker, but you're booming. Very nice modulation also. Okay, many thanks for helping me with a little test because I really needed a QSO to confirm that most of the problems were solved. It was a massacre in this radio. It stood on the shelf a few years before I got the courage to repair it. And fortunately I had some components, very rare components, and it's alive. Yeah, what can I say? Still have some problem, but I will solve all the problems in the following days. Okay, many thanks, Jan. Here we have a very cloudy day with around 7 degrees. It was It was raining a few hours ago, but it stopped. Strange weather for Christmas. Okay, many thanks, Jan. Wish you all the best. Merry Christmas. Have a nice New Year, a nice and happy New Year. All the best to you and to your beloved one, and hope to catch you again. Hotel Bravo 9, Tango Whiskey Yankee, Yankee Oscar 3, Hotel Juliet Victor. Best wishes, 73, bye-bye.
Okay, very fine, Adrian. Superb transmission, no problem for the call for you. Everything is okay on your side, like the 703 and a good modulation. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wish all the best. Enjoy the activity on 17, maybe the DX, a little bit of DX also. And happy Christmas, happy New Year for you and your family. Is Adrian. Yankee Ocean 3 Hotel Japan Victoria, Hotel Bravo 9 Tango Whiskey Yankee 73 on Switzerland, Adrian.
73, bye-bye.